Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the information regarding the latest notification from SBI. SBI has opened its vacancies for PO Post 2021. This video consists of different sections like eligibility criteria, exam pattern, also the application process and also the different categories of the examination. Now, before we get into the video, I would like to tell you all that this examination has negative marking. Please be aware of it and be prepared. Now let us get into the video. PO Post Probationary Officer has 2000 vacancies opened. SBI has opened its vacancies for 2000 candidates and all of them can apply for this post and make it yours. In this part of the video, you are going to get details regarding the post. SBI, which means State Bank of India, is the name of the organization which the exam is going to be conducted upon. The post that you are being applied to is Probationary Officer, which has been opening these vacancies for 2000 candidates as I've mentioned. The start of the application process is from 14th of November 2020. The deadline is 4th of December 2020. This examination is conducted under 3 phases: Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3. Phase 1, which is prelims, Phase 2, which is mains, and the final round which the candidates have to go through is the interview round. This exam is conducted across India and the candidates can apply from any part of India regardless to which state you belong to. Now please remember that this is not any, there is no any restriction of state or any region that you are bound to. This post is open to all the candidates who are residing in any part of India. For further information and detailed information, you can get into their official website and be more clear enough for the updated information. Now, in this section of the video, we are going to see what are the education qualification that SBI is looking for. And SBI has made it very clear regarding this examination. Regarding the education qualification, it is looking for the candidates who have done their graduation from any university or college, but it has to be recognized under the Government of India. Number 2 is for freshers or the candidates or for the students who are doing their final year or their final semester of their undergrad also can apply. The candidates who are doing this examination, their final year, have to be well cautious and well aware enough that you have to provide your certificates before the date of 31st of December 2020. Only then those candidates will be eligible to take up the post. Number 3 is if any of the candidates or the students have their IDD, which is Integrated Dual Degree certificates, please make sure that your certificates is dated on or before 31st of December 2020. Last but not the least, the candidates who have also done their Chartered Accountant or CA are also eligible for applying for the Probationary Officer post. In this part of the video, we are going to see what is the age limit which has been restricted by SBI. The age limit which is restricted is 30 years of age. Also, the candidates who are from the age of 21 can start applying for this particular post. Let us see what is the application fees for applying for PO post of SBI. We are going to see the selection process and the examination rounds which the candidate has to go through. Number 1 is prelims, number 2 is mains, number 3 is the interview round. Now we will going to see the exam pattern of each of the section which the candidate has to take up. For the prelims examination, you will be tested under 3 sections. Number 1 being the quantitative aptitude, number 2 reasoning ability, and number 3 is on the basis of your English capabilities. The questions which will be given are 35 questions, 35 marks, and 20 minutes are given for you to answer. For the reasoning ability, 35 questions, 35 marks and 20 minutes. For your English capability test, you will be given 30 questions with 30 marks and the time limit is 20 minutes. As I've already mentioned, there is cutoff marks of 0.2 for each wrong answer that you do. Please be aware of this and be well prepared. If you have passed the prelims and you are selected for the next round, which is you have to take the mains. The mains examination pattern is like this. Now as we get along, you will have a detailed idea of what the examination consists of. Number 1 is data analysis and interpretation, which has 35 questions, 60 marks each, and 45 minutes is given. Number 2 is reasoning ability. Here also you will be given 45 questions with 60 marks and 60 minutes will be given for you to answer. Number 3 is the English language capability test, which you have to take up 35 questions, 40 marks and 40 minutes will be given to you to complete your answers. General and banking awareness, here these both are the sections which are added if you have passed your prelims and you are going to your mains. General and banking awareness has 40 questions, 40 marks and 35 minutes will be given for you to complete. English descriptive test, only 2 questions will be given to you and the 2 questions consist of 50 marks, which has only 30 minutes for you to answer and complete your paper. Even here also negative marking is calculated. 0.25 marks is being deducted from each of the negative answer which you give. In this part of the video, we are going to see what is the vacancies for each of the category which the SBI has allotted to. For general category, SBI has given 810 vacancies. EWS category gives up to 200 vacancies. OBC with 540, SC with 300, ST for 150, and total we come up to the conclusion giving 2000 vacancies open for all the candidates. You are going to know what are the important dates that you should be well aware and cautioned enough before applying for SBI PO post. For online registration, including the modifications of the application by the candidates, the dates are given from 14th of November and the end date, please remember, it is for 4th of December 2020 itself. So please start applying if you want to have this post. For phase 1 online preliminary examination, which is also called as prelims exam, that consists on 31st of December 2020, 2nd, 4th and 5th Jan of 2021. Now phase 2, which is the mains examination, which is also called as online mains examination, that is consisted on 29th of January 2021. If you are selected for prelims and the mains, you will be forwarded for hiring for the last round called the interview round. The interview round will be taken place in February or March in the year 2021. We have almost come to the end of the video, and hereby I want to give a bit more detailed information regarding the cutoff marks as per the year 2019. Now, this is not accurate enough for you to keep your deadline for your preparation, but this is just to give you an information that you have to be aware of what is the cutoff mark or what is the eligibility mark that SBI is looking for. According to the year 2009, in the prelims examination, for general category, the cutoff mark out of 100 is 71. For SC, it is 61.75. For ST, which is 54.75. OBC, it is 68.25. EWS with a 68.25 again. For PWD, it is 59.50, and PW categories are 3 of them. So please be aware of which category you belong to and make note of it accordingly. 59.50. For VI, it is 64.75, and HI PW category is 16.25. As I've mentioned, I will be giving you more detailed information. It is not only for prelims. We will now see what is the cutoff mark for the mains examination in the year 2019. In the year 2019, SBI PO cutoff mark for each of the categories is very different. So general is 104.42, SC is 82.50, ST is 77.63, OBC it is 94.28, EWS is 100.89, VI is 101.75, HI is 75.36, DNE calculates for 75.14. As I've already mentioned that whoever passes the prelims and the mains examination, you will be forwarded for the final round of the getting your post, that is the interview round. Interview round is the very most crucial round for the candidate, and even in this round there are some cutoff marks according to your category wise. For general it is 20, SC it is 17.50, ST it is 17.50 again, OBC also calculates the same, which is 17.50, EWS it's 20 again, and all the remaining categories called LD, VI, HI and DE, which comes under the PWD categories, consist of 17.50 as their cutoff marks. Now we are going to see what is the final cutoff mark as per the year 2019 for the post SBI PO. For general it is 54.11, SC it is 45.74, ST it is 43.90, OBC it is 48.78, EWS is 50.13, LD and all the remaining PW categories it is around 47.11, 52.58, 35.29 and 33.37. Please make sure when you are applying for this particular post, be aware of the category that you are applying to. Make sure that it is well clear enough when you are applying online, because all your examination answers and the criteria will be marked, or the cutoff will be marked according to the category that you belong to. All the cutoff marks which I mentioned here is just to give you an idea as per the year 2019. It might differ further when you are taking up the exam for 2020 or 2021. So be prepared enough and keep these cutoff marks in your mind and make sure that you are well prepared enough. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and please make sure to share it with your friends whoever want to take up this exam, because the deadline dates are approaching soon. As I've mentioned, it is just 4th of December 2020 and the examination is going to take up very soon. If you have any doubts regarding this, please make sure you put it down in the comment section below so that we will answer your question and doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and all the very best from Freshers Now. Thank you.